In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your move method in the game settings. If you prefer clicking squares to move your pieces, or you like the tactile feel of dragging pieces across the board, this quick walkthrough will show you how to switch between the two. We'll also cover what this choice changes behind the scenes and how to make sure your preference is saved. Start by opening the settings. Look for the small gear icon. You'll find it on the main play page, and you can also see it in the top right corner while a game is open. Go ahead and click that gear to bring up the settings pop-up. This opens without leaving your current page, so it's safe to do whether you're browsing or already playing. Inside the pop-up, navigate to the tab labeled Boards and Pieces. This area controls how the board looks and how you interact with it. Once you're in, scroll if needed until you see the section called Move Method. Here you have two options. Choose Click Squares if you want to make moves by selecting the piece first and then clicking the destination square. This method can be precise on trackpads and is friendly for players who like a steady, deliberate input. Or choose Drag Pieces if you prefer to click and hold a piece, then drag it to the square where you want it to land. Many players find dragging more natural on a mouse or touchscreen, especially for quick, intuitive moves. A quick note about behavior. On most setups, both methods still work to some extent, but this setting decides which one the interface prioritizes. It also affects the way legal move hints are handled. For example, when Click Squares is active, you may notice highlighted squares that guide your next click. With Drag Pieces, those highlights often appear as you begin dragging, which can slightly change the feel and timing of your moves. When you've made your choice, make it stick by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the pop-up. If you close the window without saving, your selection won't be applied. That's it. You've set your preferred move method. Feel free to test a few moves on the board to confirm it behaves the way you expect. You can return to this setting anytime to switch methods, depending on your device or playing style. Thanks for watching and enjoy your games.